Try it.
What's good, YouTube? We is back. Back at it again, baby. Another point of view drive. You already know. We back. This time we are night edition. You see what it is. Night edition. Cut up, slap. It's a cop right there, too. That's crazy. But I got the camera. Right now we is in comfort, but hey, wait till we go on this road right here. We finna go crazy. This is my homie in front of me. He actually worked with me. I don't know if y'all can see me because I'm black. And it's black, but what's good? We got a little nighttime little. Oh hell, I'm hitting this. Yellow light still going though, because we don't obey traffic over here. Hold on, it's not even. Hold on, we still in comfort mode, baby. Should I do it to him? Should I do it to him? Gotta do it to him, baby. Drive select. Dynamic. I'm gonna have to get on that with my homie. He driving too slow. I guess I'm gonna have to get on that with him. I didn't want to have to do it to him, but he's just too slow. Oh, the window down. It's the wrong window. And he going slow to the mud. He going slow. Big old Tonka truck. This Tonka truck don't want it. They don't want it. Oh shit. Oh, he pushing that bitch. He pushing that hell though. And it's not even manual yet. But I ain't gonna lie. Definitely gonna have to get on that manual. One hand with the camera, other hand switching gears. That's crazy. Now that's crazy. Gotta make sure no ops outside. They scared to come outside. Oh, this is my turn. Oh, hold on, baby. Manual time. This mug get up, Bertie. Hold on, switch. Oh, I can't drop. Hold on, drop. Woo! Hold on, what's that? It's a cop. Oh, we good. We good. Oh, that's a Beamer. Woo! Y'all hear that mug though? Dang. Oh, this mug sound a little bit too good. I ain't even gonna lie. Pull at the light. Pull at the light. Y'all want to pull at the light? Hold on. Let me, this dude's literally flashing me, bruh. Hey, yo, that sounds crazy. Technical difficulties. You know what I'm saying? Phone storage full. That's why I told you I'm setting up for a camera. The phone storage full. But we still in the Audi. It's still nighttime. It's another day, actually. This is the next day, actually. I'm doing another nighttime vlog for y'all, just so I can see the Audi in action at night. Actually, this vlog, I might get some extra footage. I'm going to my homie's house. Today's actually my birthday, so I need everybody in the comments right now. Spell, hey, birthday, Wesley. You know what I'm saying? We pushing for the birthday. Woo! But, you know, real talk, though, it's my B-day. Big Virgo. I appreciate everybody showing love and support on the channel. If you're new, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I do car videos every freaking day. New cars, Vets, Audis, Porsches, Camaros, freaking your mom. Nah, I'm chill. But, we're gonna do a pool right here. I don't care if it's cops. I don't care if it's ops. Alright. We get the light. We get the light. Dynamic sport mode, baby. You see that S? You see that S? You know what that means? We're playing that Yeet too. You know that Yeet be having me in mode. That Yeet be doing something different. Hold on, let me see if we can. This mug it up. We ain't even in manual. Hold on. Manual. He just blinked on me. Woo! Y'all heard it? Y'all heard it? Hold on. Hold on. There's a cop right there. Make sure not a cop. Oh, we got nothing but clear road. Hold on. Yeah! Woo! Let me chill. Hold on. Downshift. Hold on. Do that downshift though. Hold on, let me drop that mug. Woo! Dang, that mug sound nasty. Woo! Nah, this mug too different. Let me slow down. Oh yeah, we ain't manual. We're gonna have to lower these gears real quick at this light. You can hear how this sound real quick. Let me hear how it sound real quick. Oh, I gotta take a picture right here. I'm tripping. I gotta take a picture on the street, bro, these lights be so cool. Look at this. Look at this light. Look at these lights at the street. Look, it's purple. Y'all see this? It's purple lights. Look how cool it's gonna look. Hold on, let me get up more. Downshift. Woo! Hold on. Look at this. Look at these lights. Y'all see these street lights? Turn right here. Oh my god. This mug is too nasty. Yeah. Bruh. Alright, hold on. Dude, this car got NOS. Literally, y'all hear that? This was different. Make sure you know ops outside, you know what I'm saying? Dang, stupid. Don't come on me like what? Whoa, pause. See, it be sketchy, like it be sketchy doing these videos at night. People say it's easier at night, like with the cops, but it's harder because you can't see nothing but headlights. You don't know if it's a cop or not because all you see is their headlights. Like, by the time you gonna know it's a cop, it's too late. You already sped past it, you feel me? Downshift. Ooh, hold on. One more. Oh my god, you couldn't even hear that one. That was too low. But this car is a feisty mother fricker, bro. People be sleeping on the Audi. I'm telling y'all, they be sleeping on the Audis. Do not sleep. Oh, this manual. Sport. Oh, so I got two manuals. I got the paddles on this mug. Got the paddles. And we got the actual shifter right here, the knob. But who the frick uses the knob? It's 2023. Are you serious? Why are you using your knob in 2023, man?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh, yeah. Oh! Let me slow down. I gotta get back behind this car. I'm done. Alright, I'm gonna cut it right here. And then I'm gonna be back with y'all when we back on the road. Because I gotta go somewhere else. Peace!